Hi everyone, this is Mona of ketowithmona.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the easiest, quickest, and tastiest keto chocolate chip cookies in a microwave. I'm starting with 1 cup of almond flour and 1/3 of a cup sweetener, 1/8 teaspoon of pink salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/8 teaspoon cinnamon. Whisk all the dry ingredients until there are no more lumps. You guys, if this is the first time you're watching me, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss anything. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of melted butter and 2 egg yolks. I usually add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla right about now, but that shot got missed somehow. I don't know what I did, but yeah, add the vanilla. Full written recipe and the links to everything that I used in today's video are in the description. Don't worry about overmixing almond flour. You really can't overmix it. Once the mixture looks like a dough, I'm going to divide it into 6 equal parts. I'll make these into small balls and then flatten them out so they kind of look like a cookie. Place the cookies on a parchment lined plate and try to keep them a couple of inches apart because they do spread out. Who doesn't eat a cookie in their life? I know I do. And I tried plenty of keto cookies out there, but they're just plain nasty and chalky. These little gems are just 2 net gram carbs per cookie. They taste great, ready in 5 minutes, and my kids love them. I use about a tablespoon of Lily's dark chocolate chips here. You can use white chocolate, you can use some nuts if you like, but I love these little guys. Cooking these can be a little bit tricky. You really cannot walk away. So 30 seconds and then you'll do 10-second intervals until they look just set. Let these cool for a few minutes and you've got cookies. Thank you so much for watching. Try this recipe. Let me know in the comments. I'll be posting new recipes every Wednesday, so hit that bell icon. And I'll see you next time. Bye.